Welcome to English Lane. In today's powerful English learning journey, you will listen to the full life story of Barack Obama, the man who made history as the 44th President of the United States and the first African American ever to hold that office. This English listening practice video is designed not only to inspire you with Obama's extraordinary life, but also to help you build real English skills, including listening comprehension, pronunciation, storytelling vocabulary, advanced sentence structure, and overall fluency. By carefully listening, repeating, and shadowing the narration, your English will improve naturally and effectively, just like a native speaker.
Barack Hussein Obama II was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii. His story began on the beautiful island of Oahu, where cultures and traditions from across the world blended into one unique environment. His father, Barack Obama Sr., originally came from Kenya, East Africa, and was a promising young economist. His mother, Ann Dunham, was a white American woman from Kansas, USA. Their unlikely union symbolized hope, diversity, and modernity. Obama's parents met while they were studying at the University of Hawaii. Unfortunately, when Barack was only 2 years old, his parents divorced and his father returned to Kenya. Barack saw his father only once in his life after that, when he was 10 years old. His mother later married an Indonesian man named Lolo Soetoro, and young Barack moved with his new family to Jakarta, Indonesia.
During his 4 years in Indonesia, Barack attended local schools, learning to speak Indonesian and experiencing the struggles of everyday Asian life: electricity cuts, crowded classrooms, and limited comforts. These life experiences taught him resilience, cultural understanding, and adaptability. In 1971, at the age of 10, Barack returned to Hawaii to live with his maternal grandparents, Stanley and Madeline Dunham. He attended Punahou School, a prestigious private school, where he struggled with his racial identity and personal purpose. He was a good basketball player, enjoyed reading, and was particularly fascinated by literature and history. Even at a young age, Barack displayed a curious mind and a deep sense of justice.
After graduating from high school in 1979, Obama moved to Los Angeles to attend Occidental College. It was there that he began to take his studies more seriously. He became active in social and political groups, raising his voice against apartheid in South Africa and racism in America. 2 years later, he transferred to Columbia University in New York City, where he studied political science with a specialization in international relations. Graduating in 1983, Obama worked briefly at a business firm and then at the New York Public Interest Research Group. However, he felt a calling to do something more meaningful for society. In 1985, Obama moved to Chicago, Illinois, to work as a community organizer with the Developing Communities Project. He helped improve living conditions in poor African American neighborhoods affected by joblessness, crime, and hopelessness. His experiences in Chicago's South Side transformed him. He saw the practical challenges of democracy and realized the importance of political power.
In 1988, Obama enrolled in Harvard Law School. There, he made history by becoming the first African-American president of the Harvard Law Review, one of the most respected law journals in America. This achievement attracted national attention and media interest. During a summer internship at Sidley Austin Law Firm in Chicago, Obama met Michelle Robinson, an intelligent, confident lawyer from the South Side of Chicago, and the woman who would later become his wife. The two fell in love and got married on October 3, 1992.
After graduating from Harvard Law School in 1991, Obama returned to Chicago, working as a civil rights attorney and teaching constitutional law at the University of Chicago Law School. He published his first book, Dreams from My Father, a deeply personal memoir reflecting on race, identity, and family.
In 1996, Obama entered politics by winning a seat in the Illinois State Senate. His goal was simple: to bring change from inside the system. He supported health care, education reforms, and tax credits for working families. For 8 years, Obama worked tirelessly in the Illinois Senate. His ability to bring people together from different political backgrounds earned him widespread respect. In 2004, he ran for the United States Senate. During this campaign, he delivered a powerful speech at the Democratic National Convention that captured the heart of America. In that now legendary speech, Obama said, "There is no black America, no white America. There is only the United States of America." His message of unity, hope, and patriotism electrified the nation.
Obama won the Senate race by a huge margin and became only the third African American elected to the U.S. Senate since the Reconstruction era. Suddenly, he was not just a local politician, he was a national superstar. As senator, Obama pushed for ethics reform, nuclear non-proliferation, and support for veterans. However, America was facing deep challenges: wars in Iraq and Afghanistan, an economic crisis, and social division. With millions of Americans hungry for change, Obama announced his candidacy for president in 2007. His slogan was simple: "Yes, we can." His campaign was modern, inspiring, powered by social media and small donors. He defeated powerful opponent Hillary Clinton in the Democratic primaries, and in the 2008 general election, he beat Republican John McCain.
On January 20, 2009, Barack Obama was sworn in as the 44th President of the United States, making history as the first African-American president. The world watched with hope, excitement, and emotion. As president, Obama faced huge responsibilities. He quickly passed the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act to fight the financial crisis. He saved the American auto industry, reformed Wall Street regulations, and brought the country back from recession. His most famous domestic achievement was the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare, which gave healthcare access to millions of uninsured Americans. Internationally, Obama improved America's image across the world. He ended the Iraq War, reduced the number of troops in Afghanistan, and ordered the operation that killed Osama bin Laden, leader of al-Qaeda, in 2011. Obama won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2009 in recognition of his efforts to strengthen global diplomacy.
He also supported clean energy, LGBTQ rights, and signed the Paris Climate Agreement to fight global warming. Obama was re-elected in 2012 by defeating Republican Mitt Romney. His message remained one of hope, dignity, and equality. In 2017, Obama left office with high approval ratings. He and Michelle created the Obama Foundation to train young leaders around the world. They signed production deals with Netflix and launched Higher Ground Productions to create impactful films and documentaries. Obama published several books, including A Promised Land, a detailed memoir of his political life. He continues to deliver speeches, support democratic movements, and inspire new generations. Though no longer president, Barack Obama remains a global icon of hope, intelligence, and leadership. Thank you for watching this powerful biography of Barack Obama here on English Lane. By listening carefully to this story, practicing shadowing, repeating new sentence structures, and learning the advanced vocabulary used here, you will naturally improve in listening comprehension, storytelling speech, pronunciation and rhythm, vocabulary and grammar, real-life advanced English fluency. Keep practicing, and one day, your English will become as powerful as your dreams. Yes, you can.